On today's edition of Blizzards in Kentucky, we got a blizzard, a blowing. We've seen a couple people out of their cars for whatever reason. People in mediums, ditches, and whatnots. We're gonna go see what we can find. No, actually, we are going to work. We're not just out driving for no reason. Oh yeah. Come on, people. Good thing I remember where the line should be, because we sure the fuck ain't got none.
You're riding in the median.
I am in medium. Alright, the line's more this way. Well. When you have to get out and fix your windshield wipers while you're driving in a blizzard. Now we make it to all these lanes with no lines. Hope all these people remember where they're supposed to be.